Costco's hot dog has been a staple in their food court for decades now. Their pricing strategy is a fascinating case study in customer psychology. By selling hot dogs at a loss, Costco creates a perception of value among customers. This perception of value is crucial in building customer trust and loyalty. Loss leaders like the hot dog help drive sales of other products in the store. Customers who buy hot dogs are more likely to purchase other items as well. The average Costco customer spends around $140 per visit, a significant amount. The hot dog is a key factor in increasing the average basket size per customer. By keeping the hot dog price low, Costco creates a sense of excitement and energy. This energy is contagious and spreads throughout the entire store experience. Costco's focus on customer experience is a key differentiator from competitors. Their business model is designed to prioritize customer satisfaction and retention. Data analytics plays a crucial role in optimizing Costco's pricing strategy. Advanced algorithms help identify the most effective loss leaders and promotions. Server racks in data centers process vast amounts of customer data and sales trends. AI-powered insights enable Costco to refine their strategy and stay competitive. The startup team behind Costco's data analytics platform works tirelessly to improve. Their code screen abstracts show complex patterns and trends in customer behavior. GPU server racks process complex computations to identify optimal pricing points. Software engineers work to integrate AI tools into Costco's existing infrastructure. The results are impressive, with sales figures consistently beating expectations. Costco's commitment to customer trust and value has paid off in the long run. The hot dog has become an integral part of their brand promise and identity. Customers return time and time again, drawn by the promise of value and quality. The psychology behind this phenomenon is rooted in human behavior and perception. Our brains are wired to respond to perceived value and scarcity. Costco's pricing strategy taps into this psychology, creating a loyal customer base. The company's success is a testament to the power of data-driven decision-making. By combining data analytics and customer psychology, Costco has created a winning formula. The hot dog may seem like a small part of their business, but its impact is significant. It's a symbol of the company's focus on customer satisfaction and value. As we explore the economics behind Costco's hot dog, we gain insight into their strategy. The story of the hot dog is a fascinating case study in business and psychology. By examining the data and trends, we can learn valuable lessons about customer behavior. The hot dog has become an unlikely hero in the world of retail and business. It's a reminder that even the smallest details can have a profound impact on success. Costco's hot dog is more than just a food item, it's a key part of their business model. It's a testament to the power of innovative thinking and customer-centric design. The next time you visit Costco, take a closer look at the hot dog and its pricing. You might just uncover the secret to their success and the psychology behind it. Join us next time as we explore more fascinating stories of business and innovation. Follow our channel for more in-depth analysis and insights into the world of business. We'll be examining more case studies and stories of success and failure in the business world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.